Alright, what is going on, guys? So I want to test out a product and I'm going to go ahead and film it and show you the results of it, see if it actually works as good as it shows it does, and also how well it'll hold up over some time. So I'm going to be trying the Rain-X headlight kit on a truck. The headlights are really bad. They are 14 years old. I've got some pictures. During the daytime and at nighttime with the headlights on too, so you can see how bad the headlights are. I'll put those pictures in here. They don't look extremely cloudy, but at night you can really see a lot of spidering. So that's what I'm really interested to see, if I can get the spidering out. So I'm going to set the camera and we're going to start this kit. Alright, now I've taped it up. I don't know, I got a little bit more taping to do, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the entire headlight because we have this big brush guard on here. So I'm going to try my best. If I can't get it all, then I'll just pull the headlight out and do the rest on the bench. But the last little bit taped up. And let's see. That pad. And we'll start with a 1500. I don't know if 1500 grit's going to be abrasive enough, but we'll find out. Actually, I think I might whip out. I'm not going to do this full kit exactly because this 1500 grit's not going to be strong enough. So I'm going to start by hand with a smaller grit, or larger grit, however you want to say it. I'm going to lightly go over the really bad spots with 400 grit first before I step up on theirs. Turn it off, finish this, and then I'll come back on when I get the second step. Okay, I got the 400 grit done. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up the drill and start with what they provided in their kit. And let's see if we can get the last few little scratches out and then start cleaning it up. Alright, 1500 grit is done. The spider cracking, a lot of it's gone, but there's a lot of it left. And I think it's just because of the age of the plastic. I don't think it's going to come out, but I'm going to go ahead and continue and see how it looks. Let's see if I can get the spider cracking to show up. Kind of hard. Maybe you can see it or not, I don't know. But alright, so we're gonna move on to the next grit, which would be the 3200 grit. And we'll move on from there. 3200 grit. Alright, the 3200 grit is done. So we'll move on to the last 4000 grit, and then we'll pull out the polishing wheel and polish it up and see what it looks like. Alright, 4000 grit is done. Now we're going to move on to their provided polish and wheel. And if this doesn't cut good enough, then I'm going to get out my Meguiar's. So I haven't been happy with their provided compound, so I'm going to try my Meguiar's Ultimate compound. Alright, after a few times with the Meguiar's, I'm a lot happier with the results. It's not perfect, there's still some spidering, there's some hazy spots here and there, so it's not going to turn out exactly like their box shows you, but they Photoshop typical stuff. So, but as you can see, it does look way better than the starting product. So I'll go ahead and move on to this side, put my drill on the charger for a few minutes and knock out this side. Here's a good before, and I'll show you the after. Alright, well, I got it done. I'll bring the camera in and show you here what the finished product looks like, but I will tell you, in my opinion, if your headlights are really bad, that kit, the Rain-X kit, is not going to be adequate enough to do both headlights with one box to make them match. As you can see, this one turned out excellent. It was the first one I did, but the second one, it just did not have enough sandpaper provided to get through all the grime and grit and get it completely clear. It's a little hazy. Now, if they both would have turned out like this one, I would say the product is 100% perfect, but it does not have enough to get both done adequately. So I'm not going to say it's 100% success rate. I think this headlight probably needed a lot more aggressive sandpaper and a lot more sanding. That's just my opinion, but like I said, I'll know tonight how much better it is, if it improves anything. Put the sealer on. Now I just have to wait. I think it said 8 hours before I can get the headlights wet, so I can't wash all the flung polishing cream off yet, so I'll have to do that this evening after the protective layer cures on the headlights. But yeah, that's gonna be my thoughts on that product. You know, if your headlights aren't too bad, yeah, I think it'll work perfect. Because like I said, it did great on the first headlight. But if you got two headlights that are really, really bad, probably not gonna be the best for what you're doing. Boy, it's not liking that light transition. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up my mess, but that's gonna conclude the video. If your headlights are just a little yellow, the Rain-X kit will work great for you. If they're extremely yellow or extremely rough looking, you're probably gonna need two of those kits if you want to do it properly. So I'm gonna end up having to redo that headlight. But thanks for watching, and I hope you find the video helpful, and I'll catch you on the next one.